Hi, my name's Doug. I'm just about to go in as a patient to see about my balance problems. I'm a little bit worried about what I'm going to be seeing in there because I've never had this type of procedure done. So I'm going to help walk you through it.
One of the first assessments that we're going to be really interested in is looking at how our vestibular system works. When you have a vertigo attack, sometimes it can cause some temporary damage, and sometimes it can result in some more permanent damage. Now, one of the first assessments that we do that helps us determine whether there's some permanent or temporary damage is a measurement called a video head impulse test, or for short, VHIT. What will happen is it's going to be this assessment here. When you come in, we'll place a set of goggles over the eyes. Now, when we look at the inner ear system for balance, the eyes and the ears are actually hardwired together. And as a result, the eyes really tell us the story when there is a problem with the inner ear system for balance. So we'll put these goggles over the eyes, and on top is a camera that will measure the eye movement. When we put the goggles on, we'll have the individual looking at a dot on a wall. And when we look at the balance system, we have three sensory systems for balance that are responsible for movements of the head separate from the body. Our horizontal semicircular canals, which are responsible for movements side to side, and our anterior canals and posterior canals on both planes for up and down movements and roll movements of the head, separate from the body. So we have an individual look at a dot on a wall, and we then make some movements with the head that stimulate each of these canals. It then lets us see whether or not the eyes and the ears are in calibration with each other. When we look at the data, it will then tell us that with eye movement and head movement, when they are 180 degrees out of phase, we have a system that is calibrated and working as it should. When it's abnormal, we have a result where the head movement is in one plane and the eye movement is significantly reduced in the other plane. And when that is the case, that gives us a strong indication that there may be some permanent damage to the balance system. We can also use this testing not only for a diagnostic assessment, but we can also use it to help us with monitoring one's rehab as they go through the process of improving their quality of life and getting past their sense of vertigo or dizziness. So when you come in, expect that we'll be doing this assessment at your appointment. We look forward to seeing you soon. So that would be